Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be installing Windows Vista Ultimate onto this HP Pavilion Media Center PC M8400F. And I just got this one a few days ago, and I think about a week ago actually. Can see it's in normal condition. It powers on. It has 3 gigabytes of RAM that I put in it because it came with no RAM. And that's basically it. It's just a cheap HP computer. And there's no hard drive in it, so I'm gonna have to install a hard drive. And I'm not sure. So the hard drive actually goes in here. So that means I have to remove this front cover. So and then remove this caddy. And the hard drive goes here. So first I'm going to try this 1 terabyte hard drive. This is, I only have 2 hard drives because that's all I have. And I'm gonna have to get some screws for this, so I'll be right back. So I've gotten some screws here to screw in, and I'm just gonna screw it into the side here. So all the screws are screwed in, and now I can put this back. Okay, so there we go. I need to plug in the hard drive to power. This IDE cable is routed a little bit weird, and there's only one SATA power connector. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect the DVD-ROM. And then attempt to connect the hard drive. Is the hard drive even supposed to go there? Yes. Otherwise, where would it go? Oh, it's zip tied, okay. There's 2 SATA connectors, okay. So I'm gonna connect this first. And you know what? I'm just gonna pull on this connector here to increase the length without cutting the cable. And there we go. Okay, now I need a SATA cable. Just gonna route the IDE cable through this. And okay. Okay. And then the power for this here. Okay. Okay, so hard drive and everything is connected up. This is just a random PCI, IO cover, IO shield. It's the exact same as the one on the back here, except it's not glossy. Not sure why the owners changed it. So, well, the previous owner changed it. It's just an IO shield. But anyway, let's get this side cover back on. And okay, and got this slot cover here. Don't have any screws though. Yeah, I don't have any screws. Just loosely put that in there. That's not gonna stay in. I don't have any screws here on my desk. Yeah, that won't work. Okay, okay, just leave that out for now. It's the worst that could happen. Oh yeah, I need a SATA cable, so I need to go get one from upstairs, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've gotten a SATA cable to use for the hard drive, and I think it plugs in this way. No, it doesn't. Yeah, it plugs in the other way. So, got a SATA cable to use. And I got a screw for that slot cover. So let me just connect. Let me see which port it is. So it's the black one. Just based on another HP computer that I have. Okay. And if this screw, and screw it in. Now, the screw came from another HP computer, so it's one of the proprietary screws. Alright. Okay, so I think everything looks good. So let's plug it in. Close it up at first. Side cover. Onto this computer. Okay. And let's get the installation CD-ROM from the top compartment. This computer has a little sliding door, which is pretty cool. So let's plug it in. Gonna change the camera angle down there. Actually, you know what? Never mind. Let's just plug it in off camera. Give me some more. Okay. And straightforward, just plug all the cables in. And there we go. And I really hope this DVD-ROM drive works. So let's turn it on. Oh man. This CD-ROM drive does not want to come out. Usually if you bang it hard enough, the computer hard enough, then it will usually open. There we go. And it looks like my hard drive has been detected, just based on the WDC. Okay. And okay. It's booting from the CD. Yep. It's booting into the DVD-ROM, which means this computer has a working DVD-ROM drive. I have two white computers that are of similar design to this, and their DVD-ROM drives are dead. Completely dead. So it's nice to see that this one still has a working one that can read and write, not necessarily eject and close, because that's a separate issue, but it's better than having a DVD-ROM drive that doesn't work at all. So, just ended the video there by accident. If I can just get the camera to focus. Okay. Okay, so let's just wait for the setup to load. I'll be back. Okay, I've been sitting here for I think around maybe 4 or 5 minutes, and it's just been stuck here. So yeah, I'm gonna try and restart it, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna use the other hard drive I have, because this hard drive has had trouble in the past. F1 to enter setup. And I'm gonna change settings a little bit. Man, it's slow. Okay, so gonna see if I can change something. Okay. So I guess this computer just doesn't have the HP boot screen. I think that's what it is. There's no... It's weird. There's no OEM boot screen. It's just the BIOS. Maybe the BIOS has been updated before. So I'm gonna let it boot up into the CD, and if it gets stuck again, then I'm gonna use this Western Digital green 1TB hard drive. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so I left the computer running for a while to see if it would load, and nope, it just blue screened. So I'm gonna try a different hard drive and see if that makes a difference. So let's get straight to it. Okay, so the computer has the new hard drive installed. Now let's try and boot into the disk. So, okay, plug in wireless mouse, just because, why not? Oh, power cable's not plugged in. Okay. Okay. Keyboard. Okay, so fingers crossed that this will work. I knew I would run into some problems going into this, but I guess it's always like that for me. But anyways, so same screen, just the question is, will it get past the blank screen with the cursor? So I'll be back once we get to that point, or if we successfully boot into the disk. So yeah. Okay, so I guess it was the hard drive that was the problem. So yeah, I guess this hard drive is just kaput. So, oh, even the wireless mouse works in the setup. That's nice. So yeah, it was really just the hard drive causing all of the issues here. So let's just see if it'll install now. And okay. So it's just okay. So just want to format this. So just delete. Okay. There we go. So it's installing now. Gone through this multiple times, so I don't really need to show this, but I'll be back once we're booting into the final stages of the installation. So yeah. Okay, so we're in the setup right now, and it looks like the drivers for the video card have been installed. Just gonna take the first two words of my name and And we have a few HP wallpapers here. I'm gonna go with this one. And there we go. So it's gonna take a little bit here. So while we're waiting for this to finish, let's just get the DVD out. Okay. So it's gonna take a few minutes, so let's just wait for it to pass. Okay, so at the login screen, just type password. So, see, I hope no drivers are missing, because that would suck. Okay, so let me change my background here, because it's kind of weird looking. It's a little bit squished. I'm just gonna there's a background that doesn't have the HP logo. There's this one, there's this one. Okay. That's the only one so far that looks normal. Here's some of these ones. This one looks kind of cool. It's a lot more than I thought. It's like all of them. I don't think this computer... Never mind. There's a lot of HP wallpapers. 79 of them. So, that's interesting. Pretty cool wallpapers. This one looks okay. That one's really good. Okay, I'm gonna keep that one. Okay, so let's go to Device Manager. And okay, just need the sound driver. It's just using the generic driver, but no drivers needed. So that's pretty cool. I hope, yep, OEM branding. Looks good. And it's one of these HP computers. So these HP computers, I think, have a BIOS that has the activation license for Windows XP and not Windows Vista. So if you want to install Windows Vista on here, a genuine Windows Vista on here, you either need to buy a license or just, yeah, I think that's all you need to do. You just need to buy a license. Well, that kind of sucks. Yeah, I might need to install Windows XP on here because I hate this activation thing. I just don't like it. So, yeah, it's just the motherboard. It's just how the motherboard BIOS was programmed. Because I think the Windows license on OEM PCs, the license is also in the BIOS, I believe. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But it seems like that since a lot of the other computers just are pre-activated with the OEM versions. So yeah, that's pretty unfortunate. I was expecting this to be pre-activated since it's the OEM version. This version has worked on several other HP computers I've installed it on. So yeah, it has everything. It has all the HP stuff. Yep. So, I'm gonna think about this. I mean, Windows Vista license just for this computer. You know, I'd have to think about it. So, I'm gonna try and type. No, that's the OEM key for Windows Vista Home. Okay. Let me take a picture of it real quick. And I'll try and type it in, but it's probably not gonna work. So, just picture there. Okay, this phone's out of storage. So, let me just look at it from the side. So, D2VHH. That's the first part. You know, I'm just gonna do it this another time. If definitely not gonna work. I don't think Vista Home Premium keys work with Vista Ultimate. Yeah, that's definitely. Yeah, okay. That was pretty stupid. So. Okay, so I guess it just has to be like this. So, I think I'll save these wallpapers. Not exactly sure where they're. Oh my god, the camera has been like this the whole time. Okay. Keeps. Okay. So here's this HP folder. And so this has, it looks to be HP OEM stuff. I'm looking for the wallpapers to save. I'm guessing they're somewhere in the Windows System 32 folder. No. Okay. well, I'm gonna have to do this off camera, but thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.